In this lesson, I'll be covering the design principle of typography. Typography is the way that your text is displayed on your web pages. Typography can convey a different message depending on the style that's applied to it. For example, a highly scripted font may convey a sense of elegance, where simple fonts will convey a sense of simplicity. Let's get into the WebStarts page editor and see how we can utilize typography to create a sharp-looking design.
I've logged into my WebStarts account. If you haven't already created one, go to webstarts.com, click sign up, it's free. Once you're logged in, hover over the thumbnail to your site just like this and click edit site. That will open up your page editor, and that's where we'll be working on our design. And for this demo, I'm going to click new page. I'm going to create a blank page, and I'm going to name it typography because that's the name of our lesson. Typography is the way that words are displayed in our design. So when it comes to typography, you'll want to choose some font styles that communicate the way you want people to feel about your website. So for example, if you want them to feel like your website is very elegant, you might want to choose a fancy font for your titles. So here you can see I have a text box, and I'm going to select a font family. And if I want that to seem elegant, I would choose kind of an elegant looking or more fancy font style. Here I've got some basic font, Open Sans, right below it, just because that part, it's important to keep readable. Now once you've established things like the font style that's going to be applied to your headlines or your titles, and you know the font that you're going to use with your informational text, you're going to want to be consistent from page to page and across your pages. So that means that you're going to want to save those. You can save your default fonts right here under the design tab by clicking on each one of them, choosing the font, the size, the color of it, the style you want to apply, whether it's bold or light, so on and so forth. You can even adjust things like the line height and the letter spacing, which is the distance between each character, things like that. Once you set all those up, you're going to use those consistently throughout your design. That's going to give you a very professional look and is going to communicate the feeling that you want from the website. That's it for this lesson. I'll see you in the next one.